Good morning, everyone. We continue learning Russian alphabet, and we already learned 5 simple vowels: A, O, U, I, and I. There is one more simple vowel. It's E. E. Sound E is similar to sound when we pronounce English word A. A is like E and Y. A. So E is a rare sound. I mean, not sound, it's a rare letter, and we see it not so often in Russian words. Let's look at the simple word, very common. T. O. Это. Это means it in English, or this. This is. Let's find another example. Yes. Here is stressed, and O isn't stressed. That's why we pronounce it like это. Это. I remember this word, echo, echo in Russian. Here also stressed. And mostly when we see it, it's international words that came to Russian vocabulary. Okay. An example of international word is k, z, a, m, e, n. Examine. How we pronounce it? E, g, z, a, m, I, n. Here the stressed sound is A. E is not stressed, and we pronounce it not strong way, and it will be examine.